5 Best 3D Printers. The item number 5 is Tecboss 3D Pen, 3D Printer Printing. Why choose Tecboss 3D Pen to do your artwork? 1. The reasonable price with the enough function save your money. 2. Environmental filament material compatible with 1.75mm PLA filament. 3. Auto sleep, after stop working for 3 minutes, it will enter into auto sleep mode and save power. The item number 4 is FlashForge Finder 3D Printers with Cloud. Meet the new kid on the block. The user-friendly, home-friendly, and wallet-friendly 3D printer from FlashForge is ready to play. Loaded with easy-to-use features, and designed to be at home in kids' rooms and classrooms, the new FlashForge Finder is the first choice for 3D printing novices and educators. The item number 3 is Comgrow Creality Ender 3D Printer Aluminum, Modeling Technology: FDM. Fused deposition modeling printing size: 220x220 machine size: 440x410 package weight: 8.6 kg max traveling speed: 180 mm/s filament, 1.75mm PLA input: AC 100 to 265 volts 50 to 60 Hz output: DC 24 volts 15A 360 watts layer thickness: 0.1 to 0.4mm nozzle diameter: 0.4mm precision. The item number 2 is dikale 3D Pen/3D Printer Filament, part number dikale US Plus 616, brand name dikale, color 16 colors: 320 feet, brown, red, pink, bronze, wood color, orange, yellow, green, gold, dark blue, sky blue, purple, green, light green, silver, white, black. Material: 100% PLA. Polylactic acid. Number of sets: 16. Outside diameter: 1.75mm. The item number 1 is 3D pen with PLA filament refills. Connecting the power supply, the power indicator turns to be yellow. LCD shows PLA. Click M button to select ABS if you need. Click to confirm the filament mode you need. Then LCD shows 5.3. Click M button to select other speed if you need, and the function indicator turns to be red, means start heating.